Yuflyma, known scientifically as Adalimumab-aaty, is a biosimilar of original biological Humira. It was developed by Celltrion and received FDA approval in May 2023. Like Humira, Yuflyma is a fully human monoclonal antibody that targets human necrosis factor alpha, a key cytokine driving chronic inflammation in several immune-mediated diseases. Yuflyma is indicated for the treatment of hidradenitis suppurativa, psoriasis, rheumatoid arthritis, Crohn's disease, and ulcerative colitis, among others. In HS, excessive TNF-alpha activity contributes to follicular occlusion, immune dysregulation, and chronic upset formation. By binding to TNF-alpha, Yuflyma suppresses this inflammatory cascade, reduces lesion formation, and helps prevent new abscesses and sinus tract. Compared with Humira, Yuflyma offers formulation improvement is highly concentrated, 100 mg per milliliter, sugar-free and designed for a less injection pen. It's also stable at room temperature for up to 30 days, increasing patient convenience. Clinically, Yuflyma has shown equivalent efficacy, safety, and immunogenicity to Humira in major trials. Overall, Yuflyma represents a next generation of adalimumab therapy, combining proven anti-TNF efficacy with enhanced patient comfort and accessibility, an important advance in the long-term management of hidradenitis suppurativa